When you created the Linux kernel itself, you can run literally any distribution on Earth. You could build your own Gen 2 setup from scratch, run Arch, or craft a custom Linux from scratch system. So why has Linus Torvalds daily driven Fedora on his personal machines for years? The answer isn't elitism, and it's definitely not marketing hype. It comes down to three extremely pragmatic engineering reasons. Reason number one, kernel updates. Linus spends his day maintaining and testing the Linux kernel. He needs an operating system that ships the absolute latest mainline kernels almost as soon as they release. While distros like Debian prioritize long-term stability and Ubuntu sits on fixed-point releases, Fedora is famous for tracking fresh upstream kernels quickly. For Linus, running Fedora means he gets immediate native testing grounds for the very code he and his team are building. Reason number two, he just wants his computer to work. Linus has stated multiple times in interviews that he doesn't want to spend his weekend compiling graphics drivers or troubleshooting Wi-Fi chipsets. He wants an installer that works on brand new hardware out of the box. Because Red Hat and the Fedora community push modern driver stacks, Wayland adoption, and Pipewire audio defaults early, Fedora consistently supports new hardware right off the shelf. Reason number three, vanilla GNOME. Unlike distributions that heavily theme, patch, or alter desktop environments, Fedora Workstation delivers GNOME almost exactly as the upstream developers intended. Linus prefers a clean, unobtrusive interface that stays out of his way. Fedora gives him a desktop environment that doesn't try to reinvent the wheel, allowing him to open a terminal, launch his text editor, and get straight to work. At the end of the day, Linus uses Fedora because it respects his time. It gives him modern software without forcing him to maintain his operating system like a second full-time job.